AI is going to take your job and make it awesome. Here are 3 courses to help with that. And don't miss the second one because it's money. The first one is Generative AI for Business Leaders. This one is taught by the Chief Product Officer of LinkedIn, and it's packed with advice about how to use AI in business and work. It's a game changer. By the way, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can access 250 top-notch AI courses for free. So stick around. The next course is Build Your Own GPTs. It shows you how to build your own custom versions of ChatGPT, which you can do for work. But the reason I told you it's money is that there is a GPT store, like an app store, where you can make money off of those GPTs. And finally, there's my course, Introduction to Prompt Engineering for Generative AI, that's been taken by hundreds of thousands of people and is all about getting more out of AI quickly. Now, the reason these courses are free is that LinkedIn has made 250 courses free for the next few weeks. Link in the description.